Well, you can learn a lot about a river by studying the streams pouring into it. That's what local scientists hope will help improve the Wabash River in Tippecanoe County. Seth Conley has more.
So again, they just kind of come to the surface, and we can scoop them up as they come up.
Purdue aquatic professor Reuben Goforth is using a small, harmless jolt of electricity to stun and collect fish samples from the Little Weaw Creek. This is just one of 3 sites set up by Purdue researchers, the Wabash River Enhancement Corporation, and the United States Geological Survey.
And that's really our goal here. We've established 3 very nice sites to do that in the county, and we're trying to understand how we're impacting the Wabash River and what we can do upstream of that to change water quality.
Indiana Water Resources Research Center Director Ronald Turco says the groups hope their research in the streams flowing into the Wabash can help them understand the causes for some of the changes in wildlife and in the chemical and biological makeup of the river itself. Group members do this by taking and running tests on water samples and by studying fish.
We're going to tie all this together so that when Reuben says that the fish do this, I can say the water chemistry at that site was this, or the water chemistry at that site was this, the microbiology at that site was this or that. So the goal here is to tie all this together so we can have a better, more holistic look at the watershed in terms of what we're doing.
Another site in the Elliott Ditch gives us a good look at another study being done in the county. At each of these sites, the United States Geological Survey has installed gauges that run on solar power and use microwave radar.
The gauge gives us information about the stream, both height, and we call that stage or gauge height, and stream flow, which is the volume of water that passes by the gauge.
2 additional study sites on the Wabash River, one to the north and one to the south, allow scientists to monitor the condition of the river as it comes into and leaves Tippecanoe County. The goal is to see what kind of impact the county is making to the Wabash River. This project is funded by a $400,000 grant from the Indiana Department of Environmental Management. Ronald Turco says that the study will run for 2 years. After that time, the groups hope to develop a watershed management plan as a guide to improve the Wabash River. Seth Conley, News Channel 18.